After a delay of almost 2 months since the election of the new state president, the Bharatiya Janata Party, Meghalaya Pradesh, on Monday announced the new executive committee that has been approved by the national leaders, BJP Meghalaya State President Rickmin Momin, who announced the names informed that the new EC comprises of 6 state vice presidents, 2 general secretaries, 6 secretaries, a treasurer, a Mahila Morcha state president.
Vice President is Mr. Bernard Parab, Crow, Gokringen, Basumai, Wankibok, Posna, Sri Dipul Marab, Sri Gagan Jain, and Srimati Priya Sangma. These are the 6 vice presidents. The general secretaries are Dr. Everest Singh and Lapan Bian. So these are the office bearer which has been approved by the central office.
The Hinyo Trep Achik National